Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitin Jain and this is the day 4 of 75 day hard English speaking challenge. So what is a 75 day hard English speaking challenge? It is a challenge which I have taken to improve my English speaking, in which I have to perform 6 tasks every day, and whenever I failed to do any task at any specific day, I have to start this challenge from day one. So what is the task we have to do every day? So first task is speaking. So we have to speak at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day. And the second task is reading. So we have to read at least 2 pages of any English content. And our next task is thinking. So we have to think about any scenario or any situation in English. So we able to think in English. And our next task is vocabulary. So we have to learn at least 5 new words in a day. And our next task is listening. So we have to listen at least 15 to 10, 20 minutes of any English content. And the our last task is writing. So we have to write at least 1 page in a day, which will these tasks will help ourselves to improve our English rapidly. uh, so I am not feeling well right now. I have cough and cold. Despite that, I have completed all the tasks of day 4. So one by one, we deep dive in all the tasks and what I done to complete these tasks. So our first task is speaking. So for speaking, I have used a peer of app in which I have talked with a second year student who currently pursuing mechanical engineering. So we have talked about mechanical engineering and what is the scopes in the mechanical engineering. And after that, we talked about language wars in the different cities and the different states in the India, like Maharashtra and the Bengaluru. So yeah, I have completed my speaking task, and after that, the our next task is reading. So for reading, I read a specific book which name is Who Will Cry When You Die. So I have read the 2 chapters of this book, in which first one is about live your life. So we have to live our life. Uh, Deal with the all the situations, whether it is good or bad, but we have to live our life. And the second one is second chapter is learn from good movies. So author suggests we have to watch movies and learn from them. So yeah, I have completed my reading task also, and our next task is thinking. So for thinking part, I have think about a hypothetical scenario in which I have a pharmaceutical company which deals in the various medicines and medical equipment, and my company's sales are stuck, and growth are also stuck. So what should I have to do to improve my company's sales and growth? So yeah, I have think about lots of scenario. What should I do to improve my growth and profits? So yeah, I have completed my thinking part also. So my next task is vocabulary. So for vocabulary, I have read 2 editorials in which I have improved my in which I have learned more than 5 new words. So the first editorial is about India and Maldives ties, good relationship in the India and Maldives, and the next is about uh, uh, wars in Parliament, about the Operation Sindhu. So yeah, I have completed my vocabulary task also. Our next task is listening. So for the listening part, I have listened the cricket match commentary in the English. So yeah, I have completed this task also. So in the match, this is a test match between India and England, and day 3 is completed now, and the match is in very interesting situation, which in England is batting in the fourth session. Oh, sorry, in fourth inning. and they lost their one wicket. And to for winning India, we have to take 9 wickets, and for winning England, they have to score more than 320 runs. So yeah, I have completed my listening task. So for our next task is writing. So for writing, I have write a one page about my day. So yeah, I have completed my writing part also. Additionally, I have also used the Duolingo app, in which I have spent something 5 to 10 minutes, in which I have completed two lessons. And if you also want to improve your English speaking, then join me in this journey or in this challenge. And type in the comments I am in, so I know you are with me in this journey. And I want to you share this video with your friends and family members who want to improve their English. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We will meet very next day.